All right, welcome back to our drum essentials. This is going to be lesson 2 and 3 kind of mixed up together. So the first thing we've looked at is our basic groove, and our basic groove is just this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty good. The other one that we've looked at is our fill, or in this case, we're calling it crescendo, because all three parts are going to play together, and we just count up to 8. And we're actually counting this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And we go back and forth between that and the crescendo. So in this practice track, I'm going to play it. I'm going to play here, but you're actually going to hear the drum sounds, just so you have an idea of what it's going to sound like when you're on a drum set. So let's play that together. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Crescendo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and crash. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Crescendo again. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and crash. Crescendo again with the crash. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3. Here we go again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and crash. So if you got to practice that over and over, you can practice it, rewind it, practice it again. And if you need to slow down or speed it up, go into the YouTube settings and change the playback so you can do that. Let's go on to the next exercise. So in this next exercise, we're talking about the watermelon, or we use watermelon as the syllables, but it's really a 16th roll. And the 16th roll is this. We're doing, with the word watermelon, we're going to have a kick at the beginning of every w, or at the beginning of every one. So it's going to be watermelon, 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 watermelon. And then we go back into the groove with the crash on 1. So let's try it out. 1, 2, ready, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes the watermelon. Watermelon, 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 watermelon. Crash. 2, 3, 4. Crash. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Here we go. Watermelon, 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 watermelon. Crash. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So you're crashing on 1, 2. Here we go. The 16ths. Watermelon, 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 watermelon. Crash. 2, 3, 4. 2. Let's go with the 16th again. Watermelon, 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 watermelon. Crash. So if you got to practice that one some more, rewind it and play it over and over until you're comfortable. If you got to speed it up or slow it down, go into the YouTube settings menu and change the playback. All right, let's move on to our next rhythm. And this next rhythm that we learned, it's called Motown. And what Motown is your hi-hat and your snare play together and your foot plays separate. So you get this movement: hands, feet, hand, kick, hand, kick. And we're counting eighth notes. So we're counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again, that'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So when you play with the groove, you'll have this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then when you crash back into the groove. So let's go with the backing track. Let's get started. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes Motown. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and crash. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes Motown again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Motown. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and crash. last time, Motown. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and crash. So those are all the grooves that we've been playing. We know the 16th roll, which is the watermelon. So watermelon, 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 watermelon. We have our basic groove, which is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have crescendo, which is the build-up. You could also call it the build-up. And crescendo is just this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and all parts are playing at the same time. And then we did Motown, which is hands and feet. So we get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we go back into the groove, 1. So that together with groove would be this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So watch this video every day, practice along with it, and I'll see you next week.